Hi, this is Dr. Debra Jaliman, a board-certified dermatologist in New York City and author of the book Skin Rules, Trade Secrets from a Top New York Dermatologist, here to help you decode skincare products. What are the things you should look for? There are so many chemicals written on the back of a package. How do you know what to pick? For example, many times I say to my patients, pick a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. Why would I want to use an acid on my face? Well, that's the point. Hyaluronic acid is not an acid at all. It's what our skin is made of. Our skin is made of collagen, elastic tissue, and hyaluronic acid. So when you put hyaluronic acid on your skin, you're not actually replacing the hyaluronic acid that's missing when you get wrinkles, but you are adding moisture. Hyaluronic acid is a very moisturizing chemical. And what it does is it binds 100 times its weight in water. So it super moisturizes the skin. When I inject hyaluronic acid into the skin, I'm actually filling a wrinkle. When you put hyaluronic acid on your fine wrinkles, you can actually plump them up temporarily. So while I'm injecting it, it's injecting a wrinkle and filling it for 6 or 9 months. You're actually, for 24 hours, getting rid of those fine lines around your eyes. So that's a great ingredient to look for. What about salicylic acid? That's actually an acid. And that's what we call a beta hydroxy acid. What does that do? That unclogs the pores. So people who should look for that are people who are shiny, people who have a 4 o'clock shine, or people who are acne prone and have clogged pores on their nose. That's a great acid to look for. What about retinol? Retinol is related to retinoic acid. Retinoic acid is a vitamin A derivative. And actually, over-the-counter retinol is related to prescription strength retinoic acid. It actually gets converted into retinoic acid in your skin. So let's say you don't want to go to the dermatologist and get a prescription for vitamin A or retinoic acid. You can go to the drugstore and get retinol, and it does all the same things. It gets rid of brown spots, gets rid of sun damage, lightens your skin back to its normal color, of course, not any lighter. Evens out the texture, evens out the tone, gets rid of fine lines. So that's another very good acid. But just remember, if you're using retinol, you always have to use sunscreen in the morning, because retinol makes you sun sensitive. Glycerin is another good moisturizer to look for. You can also look for nut oils. For example, macadamia nut is a good one. Almond nut butter, shea butter, those are other good ones. But let's say you're allergic to wool. One ingredient you should avoid is lanolin. Lanolin is related to wool. So anybody who's allergic to wool should avoid lanolin. So those are just a few of my tips. Thanks for watching.